Today's students have an amazing and exhaustive learning resource at their fingertips, the internet. The challenge educators face is ensuring that online resources are appropriate, reliable, up-to-date, and meet specific learning objectives. That's why iCivics created WebQuests. WebQuests are carefully curated, inquiry-based activities. They empower students with the skills to tackle a vast expanse of online information with confidence. WebQuests prompt students to think meaningfully about civics in a unique and practical way by reading and researching to answer thought-provoking questions. Each carefully packaged WebQuest guides students through pre-selected online resources. This sets the context and purpose for student inquiry and online research. WebQuest slides break topics down. They offer links to websites that expand student understanding and ask questions designed to help them connect what they're learning to their own lives. The tool can be used to introduce, reinforce, or review concepts covered in class. By leading students to selected online resources, WebQuests maintain a safe and secure path, a journey that can be completed individually, in small groups, or as a whole class. WebQuests help individual learners develop independence and are a great tool for inspiring dialogue among pairs and groups. WebQuests focus on how learners use information rather than how they look for it. This allows students to make the most of their online research, now and in the future. WebQuests give teachers the opportunity to review student responses using online reports. They explore a variety of topics, from suffrage to news literacy and beyond. iCivics offers a downloadable product guide with tips and tricks to help you implement WebQuests into your teaching. Now that you know what WebQuests have to offer, how will you make use of them in your classroom?